Hi everyone, welcome back to our Chinese learning channel. I am your Mandarin teacher and this is lesson 3, how to say sorry in Chinese. In this lesson, we'll learn how to express apologies in Mandarin and how to respond politely when others apologize to you. Apologizing is an essential part of communication. In Chinese, different expressions are used depending on how formal the situation is. Let's dive into today's content. Let's look at some example sentences and break them down word by word. Sentence 1. 对不起，我来晚了。对不起 means sorry. 我 means I. 来 means come. 晚 means late. 了 is a completed action marker. 对不起 is the most formal and serious way to say I'm sorry in Chinese. It's used when you have done something wrong or caused inconvenience. Literally, it means I cannot face you, which shows a deep feeling of guilt or responsibility. Sentence 2. 不好意思，打扰你了。不好意思 means excuse me. 打扰 means disturb. 你 means you. 了 is a past action marker. 不好意思 is a softer and more polite way to say sorry or excuse me. It expresses slight embarrassment or humility. You can use it for small mistakes or when trying to be courteous. Literally, it means feeling embarrassed. Sentence 3. 对不起，我不是故意的。对不起 means sorry. 我 means I. 不是 means not. 故意 means intentional. 的 means ending particle. Sentence 4. 没关系，我没事。没关系 means no problem. 没事 means nothing's wrong. 没关系 is a typical response to an apology. It lets the other person know that everything is okay and you are not upset. Literally, it means no relationship, but idiomatically, it means it doesn't matter. 没事 is even more casual than 没关系. It's used to tell others not to worry, often among friends or in informal situations. Literally, it means nothing happened. Today, we learned 4 key expressions related to apologizing in Chinese. You also practiced 4 useful sentences with word-by-word explanations. Great job! Now it's quiz time. Try translating these into Chinese. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you now feel more confident saying sorry in Chinese and responding politely when someone apologizes to you. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment with your own example, sentence, and subscribe. See you in the next class.